Hey everybody, this is Vinny with Excel Distance Calculators. Today I want to discuss a solution that I developed as a request from a client who needed to dispatch his traveling nurses to their closest patient. So my client had a list of patients and a list of 50 or so traveling nurses and wanted to assign each patient to a nurse based on their location. Said differently, we needed to assign the closest nurse by location for each patient, which makes sense logistically, minimizing the traveling time. So how do we do that? Let me show you our nurse dispatching tool that was built. A few things on the tool. First of all, it's based on Excel, so you don't need to install anything. All you got to do is paste your nurse and patient data just like you do in Excel. It also uses the Google Maps API to make the distance calculations, which allows for real-time driving distance and driving time calculations right on your spreadsheet. So let's take a look of how it works, right? In the first sheet, we place the patient and patient addresses, so patient name and patient addresses. The patient name is just for your reference and is not required, but it is a way for you to refer to the patient. The patient address is extremely flexible, and because it uses Google Maps API, we can use zip codes, full addresses, cities, or anything in between. Just the best to the information that we have. In the second sheet, we list the nurse information. Same as the first sheet, we have multiple nurses with their names and addresses, and those addresses are flexible as well. To find which nurse is the closest for each patient so that we can schedule her or him for the procedure or the injection, all we got to do is click on the calculate button and the tool will do the rest. Please note a Google Maps API key is needed for the tool to work. I have some instructions on how to get the API key in my website. Google has made it extremely easy to get. It's free of charge and it can be obtained in less than 5 minutes, and it is a one-time thing. Due to my unique algorithm, this tool is extremely fast and it does not need to make all the possible combinations of distances for every calculation. This saves a lot of time and makes getting the results that you need a breeze. Again, if there are any changes in variation of this, I understand that everybody's data is different. I will gladly build it to match your current data set and your business. My goal is to get you something that will 10x your productivity and save you time and money. The link to the tool is in the description of the video. Just click on it and you'll go to the download page. You'll also find there my contact information. My name is Vinny. Please reach out for any questions or needs that you might have. Until next time.